We're all short on time these days and need to speed things up. We're looking for shortcuts. Once you find what works for you, you do those shortcuts again and again until they become second nature because they save you lots of time. Mynda from My Online Training Hub has come up with an amazing set of tools that save you all sorts of time. In her video, Work Fast in Excel, she shares many Excel keyboard shortcuts and listed them in a periodic table. Wow, thanks Mynda. Then one day she posted about 93 Word keyboard shortcuts and shared a link to a PDF. So I downloaded a copy and that's when it hit me. Collaborate and rebuild this in Power Apps. Since the app is interactive, we can filter through the functions by category such as data entry, document, formatting, general, navigation, other, and table. We can also filter the periodic table by special keys: Shift, Control for Windows or Command for Mac, Alt, and the Windows key. We also have the ability to search for particular shortcuts. And of course, see the entire periodic table in one view. What about you? Got an idea for a new iOS or Android app? Don't stress, I can bring that idea to life. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to see the newest apps, then hit the bell to be notified. And if you're worried about support, don't be. We're committed to assist you 24/7. Contact me today to make your idea a reality. Stay awesome, have a blessed day, and remember, be epic.